Hi everyone, my name is Diana from Esta Properties. Today I will be sharing with you a very rare 2-bedroom condominium available in the heart of Pasir Ris, just 5 minutes away from the park, from White Sands Shopping Centre and the major expressways. Where is this place? Welcome to Esta. At 1,001 square feet, this is one of the largest 2-bedroom in this condo. Fun fact, there's only 2 such units here with this exact size and layout. Come, let's check it out. Walk into this resort-like home at the end of the day and you'll feel your stress melt away. This house is beautifully renovated with even a granite bar top for you and your friends to enjoy a nice drink. This living room also opens up to this massive patio. Fantastic for alfresco dining with your family and friends. Kids and animal kits such as Mocha here will also enjoy the huge space for play. At the ground floor, the patio overlooks the 50 meters infinity lap pool, and you get to enjoy the gentle music of water lapping. The beautiful plants in front of the house provides a privacy for you, while a small gate at the side actually connects you to all the facilities in this condo. This house comes with the largest enclosed kitchen, making cooking up a storm absolutely easy. Also, to serve your guests the food, all you have to do is just take your plate and walk out of this patio. Both bedrooms are a good size, fitting king or queen size bed comfortably, very suitable for a young couple growing a small family. So for those of you who love the sun, the sand, the sea, drop me a call at 90-700 969 to see this exquisite house for yourself. My name is Diana from Propnex.